Sir, can we mix and use the millets?
Oh, you mean kodo, brown top, like that?
Yes.
No. We are not meant to do that. The reason is as simple as this, that kodo millet has a fiber which cleans up your bone marrow.
Yes.
Brown top has a fiber which cleans up your digestive canal, and foxtail cleans up your lungs and nerves. Barnyard, your soft parts in the body. So little millet, your reproductive organs. So now imagine you mix all of them. You can only eat so much, say 100 grams. So now you have 20 grams of each. So the fiber of kodo is 5 times less. Brown top is also 5 times less. So no part in the body gets cleaned properly.
Yes.
So why does this mixed millet or multigrain flours? This is all because of the business. See, in the flour mill or in the machines, they use large amounts of grain. There will be leftovers, one after the other. So they are all mixed. So these flour mill fellows, per day, minimum of 100 to 200 kilos mixed stuff will be there. So they keep saying, oh, brown top is good, this is good, this is, oh, mixed is much better.
Okay.
This is how they sell. So it's a business proposition, not a scientific reason.
Yes,
So never eat mixed millets. And I sincerely tell people you have to change once in 2 days, so that 6 meals you eat. So enough of bone marrow cleaning, 2 days.
Yes,
Kodo, 2 days foxtail, then you clean your lungs and things. So 10-day cycle, you are cleaning the whole system, you are good to go. So again rotate. So that's the way you should eat.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Another question: why do we need to soak and sun dry the millets before preparing the flour or rava?
There are 2 things here. One, when you soak and dry, it's easy to make flour.
Okay.
And even after that, when you want to make chapati or roti with millet flour, you need to soak it again for half an hour or 45 minutes minimum. And resting, that is called resting. So the soaking, the fiber taking the water in as much as it can, is very important, because the soaked fiber just expands, and then it is easy for digestion. And if you have not soaked enough, the fiber is difficult to digest. So some people may experience heat in the body, headache, this and that.
Like constipation.
Yeah,
problems
constipation,
and all.
because they are not using the right soaked fiber. So once you soak the fiber 5 to 6 hours, if it is as a whole grain, then you are done. So when you soak it as the whole grain, the absorption, everything happens, and then you dry it lightly and you can make powder easily. And once you grind flour, you may think that the water can get to the fiber easily. Yeah, it can get to the fiber easily, but the fiber still has to be absorbed in water and then get into that digestible mode.
Digestible mode, I see.
So enough of water has to be absorbed. Soaking is very, very important. So it is easy to make flour when you soak it and then dry and then do it. And another important thing, this is a practical thing, and long time since everyone knows in India, that if you soak, dry and make powder, it's very good for cooking, especially sweets.
Okay.
And oil.
Yes.
If you are using oil recipes,
deep frying
yeah,
or
deep
something.
frying and all. So even so-called white rice which has no fiber, you can see the difference. You soak, dry and make flour and then make some dish, it tastes much better. So 2 reasons: one for the taste and another for scientific reason, that it has to be soaked. We have enough fiber, right fiber in these millets.
Yes.
That's it.